Good morning, everyone. My name is Chris Leyland and I'm Director of Investment Strategy here at True Potential. So today what I want to do is really talk you through what has been happening and also what is coming this week within the world of investment. We start off with the US. So in the US, both the Dow and the S&P 500 hit record highs yesterday, with investors continuing to expect a strong economic recovery. And that was buoyed by one data point, which was the strong jobs report on Friday. So the report showed 916,000 jobs added in March, and that was significantly ahead of expectations of a 660,000 gain. So that's the largest increase since August, and it's the third straight monthly gain. The unemployment rate also inched down to 6%. Within the US, with the stock markets being closed on Friday, this data point was only felt in stock market return yesterday, with the S&P 500 finishing up 1.4%, so a strong session yesterday. This highlights to me the continued recovery that's happening in the US and faster than what economists have expected. If we look at oil, WTI crude futures fell 2% yesterday, heading towards that $60 per barrel level. And that's following OPEC Plus's decision to gradually ease some of its production cuts between May and July. So major oil producers agreed on Thursday to increase output by 350,000 barrels per day in May, 350,000 barrels per day in June, and 400,000 barrels per day in July. So that means that output cuts would be just above the 6.5 million barrels per day from May, compared with slightly below 7 million barrels per day in April. If we look at price movements this morning, the oil price has partially bounced back on the back of upbeat economic data and last night's announcement of the further removal of restrictions in the UK next week. If we look out over the week, minutes from the latest Fed meeting will come out tomorrow. So that will give investors more information around the debates at the central bank in light of continued economic strength and the rise in US Treasury yields, as well as giving colour on the Fed's sensitivity to higher borrowing costs. The minutes could give some insight as to plans around lifting rates from their current low levels. Also tomorrow, the PMI services the final data figures for the UK for March are released. The figures show growth in March for the first time in 5 months, so accelerated from 49.5 to 56.8. So remember, a reading above 50 indicates growth. The final reading is expected to confirm the initial release ahead of the further loosening of restrictions in the UK next Monday. Last week, the average percentage of disposable income saved came in at 16.1% for the final quarter of 2020. So that's the second highest ratio since 1963 when records began. This is seen as one of the key drivers for services in the UK moving forward, paving the way for a rapid rebound later in 2021. Okay, that's everything from me. I hope you enjoyed listening today, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon. Thank you very much.
Subscribing to True Potential YouTube channel is quick and easy. Simply go to your YouTube app on your phone, type in True Potential and press the red subscribe option. You'll then be notified as and when new videos are released.